Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sani Tech Wits. I am your host Raman Sani, and today I am going to explain you how to configure the SFTP server on Centos VM. Okay, so let's get started. So for your reference, I have already installed one VM on my system with the name of demo VM. So let's get login with onto that VM. I'm logging with the username root and the password which I have set. Okay, so now before starting the package, what we have to do, we have to update our CentOS server with the command yum space update space -y. Okay, so all the packages are still up to dated. So my next command is yum space install space open ssh hyphen server to install the OpenSSH server package. Okay, press Y to install it. Okay, it's installed now. Now my next command is to restart the SSH service, and the command is systemctl space restart space sshd. Okay, it's restarted now. And now the next command is to enable the SSH service after restarting, and the command is systemctl space in enable space sshd. Okay, and my next command is to create a user in CentOS server. The command is add user space the name I'm putting any random name like tech vids to add the user. Okay, anyhow, now what I can do, I create another user, the name of demo user. Okay, it's added. Now I have set the password of this user. Okay, I have set the password, and now I have to modify the SSH default SSH configuration file, and the path is vi space slash etc slash ssh slash sshd underscore config. And now I have to go at the bottom of this file with the help of shift G and put some command lines like match user, and the username is demo user, and my next command is force space force command space internal hyphen SFTP. Next is password authentication space yes, and the next one is chroot directory space slash home slash demo user, which is the default directory of demo user. And my next parameter is permit tunnel space no. The next one is allow agent space forwarding space no. The next one parameter is allow TCP forwarding space no. The last one is X11 forwarding no. And after this I am going to save this file, and now I'm going to restart the SSH service. This okay, and now the next command is change owner space root, group is root space slash home slash demo user. The next one is change access mode space 755 is the permission slash home slash demo user. And now I'm going to create one folder in this user demo user to allow demo users put some files into that directory, like mkdir space slash home slash demo user slash files. Now I give permission to demo users to access this particular folder. Change owner space demo user colon demo user space slash home slash demo user slash files. And the last one command is systemctl start sssht to restart the service. Okay, now we are going to test this demo user with the help of WinSCP tool. You can also try with to choose FileZilla. My server IP is 172.20. Okay. Now I'm going to click onto the login option. It asking the username is demo user Look okay. Now put the password. Okay. So I'm able to log in with the help of demo user. Now I'm trying to put some document in the root directory. Like okay, it didn't allow me to put the file. Now I'm able to put the file in files folder. Okay, it's done. So with the help of files folder, I'm able to put the document in files document. So thank you God. That's all from my side. Please keep watching and like and share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.